फास्ट अभी भूख लगी है। I don't know where.
तो मंसूर साहब, क्या चीजें आज के दुनियादारी लोग आपकी फिल्म को प्रेज कर रहे हैं और सब चाहते हैं कि एक बार फिर से आप वापसी करें, तो क्या ख्याल आते हैं आपके?
और ये दूसरी बार 25 साल बनाए जा रहे हैं।
मैंने मतलब ऑलरेडी शेयर किया है कि आई थिंक द रीज़न वाई जो जीता कनेक्ट्स ओवर थ्रू जनरेशंस इज क्योंकि ये कहानी हर जो एनीबडी हु इज ग्रोइंग अप feels the same thing, you know, how to find himself, how to prove himself, you know. So ये obviously that's common, you know, so it's not going to get outdated, that feeling. और शायद इसकी recognition मुझे रिलीज़ में इतनी नहीं दिखी जितना बाद में दिखी. 10 years later, I felt that the audience was really connecting with the film. You know, when it released and went away. It was okay.
आपकी वापसी कब हो रही है दोबारा एज अ डायरेक्टर?
कोई ज़रूरी नहीं कि मेरी वापसी हो.
जरूरी है।
तो अगर जो मेरे दिमाग में ख्याल हैं जो मुझे ऑब्सेस करते हैं आजकल, वो एक अलग जोन में है. अगर मैं आपसे शेयर करूँगा जो अभी नहीं कर सकता हूँ, तो यू माइट वंडर वेदर आई एम द सेम पर्सन. सो इट्स इन अ वेरी डिफरेंट जोन. व्हाट आई टॉक अबाउट, व्हाट आई स्पीक अबाउट, व्हाट आई थिंक डे एंड नाइट, इट इज़ स्लाइटली वेरी डिफरेंट. तो वो फिल्म जो है वो इतनी कमर्शियल अपीलिंग फिल्म बनेगी या नहीं बनेगी इज़ वेरी वेरी डाउटफुल. But it's a real.
You shared that on stage just now that you would consider it if maybe Raju Hirani sir wrote something or you got a script. So tell us if the cameras were not allowed
Well, I hope Raju is watching this because he has no clue that he's trapped.
He's trapped, yeah.
What I really meant was that it has to be a thought which I want to convey. It can't just be a good script. Amir gave me a good script, but it was not dear to my heart. If it's, I can't do justice to something which is not dear to my heart. It may be a good film, it may be a damn good script, but I don't think I will do justice to it. So, ek to hai, it has to be something which I'm thinking of. And why I said Raju is because I think that Raju, I'm not saying that that he should or he, I'm just saying that he has the ability to make difficult themes into a watchable commercial film.
Are you happy with the content that's shown right now in the industry? All the films that are made in the industry?
There are many films that I feel are exceptional. Very, very good films coming out. And so the whole theatre is expanded. You know, there will always be one set which is going to be the 300 crore club. You know, and there will be, but I feel there are some good films which are in the 100 crore club also. So we have moved.
Who remembers how much money this film made? Jojita Bhai Se Gandhar, and you're all here celebrating, you know. Do you think today there's too much emphasis on box office than
See, there are two things. I think one thing is there's too much emphasis, but that always was. There's too much emphasis on box office. And the second thing is, and this I'm sharing, I'm quoting actually Farhan. He didn't say it in front of me, but I believe he said it. That people have become very over precise about shooting a film. So they become so precise that there is no time for creative change in the making. And as Amir shared that, you know, we had moments where we were in doubt. So while there are good things about planning, but if you say we're going to shoot it in 45 days and it's all cut and everything there, then you're only executing it a little mechanically. So I think that is also needed, you know, that people are still organic.
Farah, what did you make Akshay Kumar do during the audition?
But he had a scene.
Silence everyone.
There was a scene written for the audition where they are playing volleyball or they are playing basketball. There was a ball involved, I know. And Akshay was doing strange things with that ball also.
And Mansoor sir, what made you reject it?
Reject?
Yeah,
Right.
Because he was doing strange same thing with a boy.
I'm so glad Farah is my sister.
Yeah, of course, he recollects. In fact, he always tells me, and he says, but then he went on to be a leading man and he got a. It worked out all right for him. So yes, but he does remember it very vividly.
Farah, my question to you, that the Pooja Mary scene is
Yes.
Merlin Monroe, the copyright
Yes.
scene. Now it's become Jojita Voice in the copyright. After this, it's been used in Tamil, Telugu movies as well. So what do you have to say about
Well,
it?
it
How did
wasn't.
came?
The idea came
Ramba
because.
used it in a Tamil film as well.
No, I see. It came from Marilyn Monroe's iconic shot from 7-year age. So we gave her a red dress instead of the white one, and we put her on a red car. And it was also क्योंकि वो garage में blue car sorry garage में काम करते हैं तो वो गाड़ी के ऊपर खड़ी होगी. It was just a fantasy shot, and we were very innocent that time. Yeah.
That's how they, yeah, Ramba used it in a Tamil film. Okay. Aisha, you were too good in Jojita Voice, you cannot think of replacing. But if Girija was there, what was your take on that?
Well,
Girija was the
I must say, like I said, each film has its own destiny.
Yeah.
And the people who were destined to be part of it came back. Girija was a good actress. The equation between Girija and me, Girija was not the one who failed. Actually, I think I failed. Because I saw her film with Mani Ratnam. And Mani Ratnam is an amazing director. He can make a block of wood act. Not that Girija is a block of wood.
Headline tomorrow.
So, yeah, I know. So anyway, what I'm saying is it was my shortcoming in being able to, and in the process, she got fed up because it was taking too long, and she was not very much interested in making a career in films. So she had only given, she thought, 2 महीने में खत्म हो जाएगी, I'll be back in England and wherever. It didn't get over, and it was just going on and on.
Farah, you paid a tribute to Cars with Om Shanti Om. It was a similar reincarnation story. So if there's another chance to pay a tribute to any other yesteryear classic, which would it be?
I was just telling Mansoor if he's ever going to remake it, I'm calling dibs on it first. But I think some movies, I don't know how to better Jojita Voice Sikandar, because these movies happen and I know how grueling the cycling was. You'll have to really be
No,
much.
just to share with you, I get nightmares of Jojita every 2 weeks. Actually, I'm not Jojita, but of shooting.
Really? Yeah.
So I'm not.
I know everyone
lying.
tells Mansoor to come back, but let me tell you, he looks much happier than what I saw him in. I worked with him in Josh also. We did some songs together, and that was a fine movie too. But he just looks a happier person now.
So you were talking about Josh. We were expecting a casting of sort when it was initially planned with Shah Rukh and Amir. What went wrong over there?
That you should ask Amir. He refused to play that role. That's his choice. I mean, I saw that as the perfect casting. But Amir wanted to change his image also. He had already gone through that, and he no longer wanted to play the lover boy, romantic guy. And that is one reason. And the second reason is that the character of Max is a very charismatic character. So everybody wanted to play Max. In fact, when I called and I met Kajol to play Shah Rukh's sister, and I narrated the story, and then she got up after listening to it, and then she was walking out. I said, Kajol, so are you doing the film? She said, I want to play Max. So that was the kind of character. Max was such an enigmatic character that Amir would never let Shah Rukh play it and be opposite him.
Mansoor sir, like Jojita Voice Sikandar released during the time, like before it, the 80s, it was all about flamboyance. And the 90s, it was a post-globalization era. So the NRM movies, all sorts of things were going on. So did it ever occur to you like maybe Jojita Voice Sikandar was a little ahead of its time, and it may fall into that bracket of being called a cult classic in future, but right now it's way ahead of its time?
Well, actually, I don't know how many of you know, but Jojita was what I wanted to make before Qayamat Se Qayamat. So, really speaking, it was a film which had already waited too long on the sidelines. I don't think about audience so much. You know. I think about whether it's appealing to me or not. And I have confidence in the audience that if you do it well, you know, we underrate the audience. We say audience के समझ में नहीं आएगा या audience का taste ऐसा. Actually, we are dumping our inability on the audience. So you can see that now the new directors have come up with, new young directors and writers have come up with amazingly daring films. Tare Zameen Par, Dangal, you know, so many Farhan's Dil Chahta Hai. You know, I mean, I never like to put the blame on the audience. So it never occurred to me that it's ahead of its time or behind, because I thought it's a human emotion. It was true then and it's true now.
Because after that, like, it inspired me.
Take this last question.
It inspired many, like after watching it, you get a glimpse of, like, many Disney movies have been inspired from it. Like the story of an underdog, and nobody expects such a character to win, but in the end, you wins it. So yeah, definitely.
So what, have you seen Dangal?
I've seen Dangal.
No, have you seen the film?
I've seen Dangal.
What do you have to say about it?
Excellent.
Because Karan Johar and Ara saying it is the best film of the decade. So do you have similar thoughts?
Well, I don't have such, because they are much more in the industry, so they can say best 98, 95. I can't say that. I can say it's an excellent film.
आयशा आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी कि आप फिल्मों में कब हम दोबारा देख सकेंगे आप
जब मंसूर फिल्म बनाएंगे तो मैं जरूर वापस
अब ये जिम्मेदारी सबने मुझ पे डाली।
जब मंसूर फिल्म बनाएंगे तो मैं जरूर काम करूँगा, लेना पड़ेगा।
Mansoor sir, is it also true that Amir was a bit upset when Jyoti Wai Sikandar didn't win any awards and Beta won awards instead of that?
Yes, he was.
So how upsetting was that? And you know,
I was in America actually, because
but
I wasn't upset at all.
We want none of.
no, my question is,
But,
Mansoor sir, don't you think Jyoti Wai Sikandar deserved an award at that time? I mean, to be very honest, that Amir didn't award.
See, I can't say that myself, but I can certainly tell you an episode that happened at that point of time. And after the awards were finished, and Jyotita got best film and best editing, but it didn't get the others, which Amir felt.
The best actor.
Yeah, I believe. So you can verify with Amir on this that Kamala Hassan was there at the thing, and you know you have the card with everything written on it, and he had written his choices of best film, best director, best actor, and he had ticked Jyotita in many categories. So I guess that was the sentiment.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you,
Thank you guys. Thank you. Thank you guys.